2024. We have Bäckbornas väg 31 here in Beckomberga, Stockholm, Sweden. And this was built in 1991 by DEVE-Schindler. Probably August 1991. Timber SK 54758.
This bit like you asked that made it by Coney.
We have now 13 of these left to be filmed.
Yeah.
Because those are the buildings 17, 19, 23, 25, 27, 29, 33, 35, 37, 41, 43, 45 and 47.
Yeah.
And the group from 3 to 15 are all filmed, of course. Luckily before a bed modernization is starting now.
Yeah.
Let us hope that the 13 last bed modernizations will not come in any time soon, so that we can also get them later before that. So thank you very much for watching. And